These just slide into here. So you pull those out both sides, and the headlights just pop out like that. And we'll be using some Silverstone for this year's 9007. This is the new color everybody's using, so why not join them, right? Engine looks great, nice and clean. So yeah, let's change these out. Whoa. Like that. There we go. Like that. And then you got the second one, this one over here. You want to untwist this, unhook that. There we go. This off, twist, pull. New guy. Put it in there. Take this guy, hook it back up, nice and tight, push that there. Okay, so now they're both installed, so we're going to check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Much brighter. Love them. Very good. Much better. All right. And then what you want to do, you want to put it back together. So I'm going to show you how to do that with the brackets. So you basically make sure this seal here is flush. You want to slide it back in. You want to make sure these tabs here, and here are flush. You take your brackets, take your one bracket, don't slide it all the way in yet. You take your secondary bracket, and you'll put it in there, and then you want to just push them down. And as you can tell, it makes it flush to the install. Same thing on this side. I'm going to push it in. Make sure your seal is incorrect. You have 2 pins, that gold pin right there, that has to line up with the insert. Once it's lined up, you'll see there and there. I know it's dark, I apologize. But then you want to put in your pin. You don't want to slide them all the way in so that it can adjust for both sides. And then once you get them in, you can work them in. And then make sure they're nice and flush. Make sure your seal, make sure your seal's there. And make it nice and flush. These are the new headlights, by the way. So the new lenses, now new headlights. They look pretty good. These are the old guys. I'll keep them around for spares. One's burned out. One of the low beams is burned out. So yeah, so we have some headlightage. The rear lights are really in good shape. As you can tell, they're really clean. I almost am suspected that these have been replaced. And you can tell the third brake light is really bad. So compared to these, that third light is bad. So we're going to replace it. But I'm going to turn on the headlights one more time. Turn on the highs. See how they look. Ooh, yeah, the highs look really good. So I created all the stains on the driveway earlier, but yeah, they look good. See what it looks like. The engine turned out really good with the spray wash down. It's really clean, a lot cleaner than it was. So I'm really happy about that. See, turned out really good. You can see the yellow better. All this is dry now. But yeah, the yellow inside the engine turned out really good. We'll shut the... Shut the hood. And look at that. They look good. Oh yeah. So yeah, these are a lot of basic things that you can replace yourself. Especially on a Mustang, have fun with it, you know. I did spring out for the extra headlight costs. It's about $15 more to do the halos, but they're pretty cool. I really like them. And then yesterday I used a pressure washer on my rim, and it turned out really well. Just trying to bring this stuff back. Again, 40th anniversary badge is looking good. Back here you can see how dingy the rim is inside. So I got all that out yesterday. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. We're just adding these little low cost fixes and having fun. It's a good weekend car. All right, peace out. So that's what they look like at night. Oh yeah. Super bright. Ready for driving.